An explosion at a mansion leads to a massive fire, and as crews tell our Sharon Dankwa, the home is a total loss.
The ceiling is collapsed and half of the house nearly down to its foundation.
But between the water damage and the fire damage and smoke damage, it probably will be a loss.
Expert engineers said the house was a total loss, but one couple gambled their life savings to bring it back to life. What follows is 18 months of work, with plenty of setbacks and constantly going over budget. Can they prove everyone wrong and bring life back to this home that seems beyond repair? Clearing up the debris is the first step before the full extent of the damage can be assessed. The damaged drywall and insulation are removed, revealing the intact frame underneath. The workers search for valuables as they sort through the damage. A 300-pound Roman bathtub survived the flames and is sold to help fund the renovation. Clearing up the roof as quickly as possible is critical in order to prevent further damage. With the debris clear, the framing process can begin. The library needs to be restored from scratch. As the source of the inferno, it has suffered the most damage. $33,000 was spent on the framing lumber alone. Success here is an absolute necessity. rate of progress on the roof is immense. Given the challenges of hauling materials and ensuring safety of the workers, it's a sign that this home might be saved after all. After 3 months of work, the home is starting to take shape again. Breathable roofing membranes are installed. Their unique properties allow for water vapor to exit the home while offering resistance to wind, rain, and extreme temperatures. The columns are worth $30,000 each and are a staple of the visual identity of the home. The final step is to place the shingles. Due to the steep angle of the roof, safety becomes paramount. Working in pairs and with a little help from gravity, the workers glide the shingles to each other along the slope of the roof. The old fireplace is demolished and removed. With the flooring removed, only the skeletal frame of the home remains. The handmade iron railings are a relic of the old home and an asset to help fund the renovation. Their original cost was $90,000. Given the rarity of this type of craftsmanship, the value of the railings has since increased and now exceeds 6 figures. With a mansion of this size, replacing the windows is no easy task. For lots of natural light, large custom windows were ordered. There is no insurance for a damaged window, and each pane costs as much as $10,000. Some of the windows weigh as much as 300 pounds. The crew must ensure they are in pristine condition as they are moved around the house. It was incredibly important that the measurements were correct before the order was placed. The smallest mistake could prove costly. The painstaking measurements paid off, and each panel fits according to plan. The centerpiece of the window order is a massive 16-foot glass sliding door consisting of 4 glass panels which seamlessly attach to one another as the panels are pulled shut. The electrical wiring had to be done perfectly since the fire that almost burned the home down was due to faulty wiring. Spray foam insulation is used to create a thermal barrier and insulate the home, thereby saving on energy prices and making heating many more times efficient. The science behind it is fascinating. It's a 2-part chemical mixture that's applied in liquid form which then rapidly expands up to 60 times in volume before hardening into a solid foam which creates an airtight insulating barrier. The protective gear is necessary due to the chemicals involved. No part of the skin should be exposed, and a breathing mask and protective eyewear are essential. The strength of the solid foam is even enough to provide structural integrity to the walls themselves. A brick wall is put in place, aiding not just the look of the home, but also adding durability to the exterior. Placing the drywall is a monumental task which requires the workers to maneuver thousands of square feet of panels onto every exposed surface of the home interior. As the drywall is placed, we see glimpses of the completed home appear. After months of effort, the restoration is beginning to take shape, and the once beautiful home is slowly being brought back to life. A curved corridor ceiling is being worked on, which requires the drywall to be placed with painstaking precision. Completing the walls of the home is a massive leap towards completing the home itself, where once only the bare frame remained. Now the structure stands firm and ready for the finishing touches to be applied. The first step are the tiles. They represent the first element of luxury for the home's interior, with their total value exceeding 6 figures. Thousands of square feet of tiles are laid out in painstaking detail. The variety of tiles used, from Italian white marble to matte black marble, are there in order to provide each space with a unique identity. Heated flooring is applied to the bathrooms. The master bathroom is equipped with massive white marble tiles. The material cost for this room alone exceeds $20,000. Pieces of furniture begin arriving and are placed inside the home. Each piece is selected with purpose in order to reflect and enhance the visual aesthetic of the home. The closet area for the master bedroom is custom built, with shelves reaching up to the ceiling. The new staircase is made of solid white oak, blending in with the rest of the renovated home's aesthetic. A custom-made slat wall is installed to provide balance and segment the upstairs space. "50 fast-growing trees are planted along the fence in order to add beauty and privacy to the outdoor space. The yard work doesn't stop there, as trees and tree branches are cut to reduce clutter. A wood chipper is used to easily dispose of the excess branches. The columns were modified to better fit the minimalist aesthetic of the renovated home. The workers start painting the home in order to unify the whole structure. The pavement in the driveway was under a lot of strain, with the weight of materials and vehicles constantly going over it throughout the renovation process. The owners made the difficult decision to redo it entirely. The entire driveway needed to be torn out and replaced. $100,000 plus was spent on concrete alone. A screed board is used to level the surface, and the finish is applied with a float trowel. The surface is then allowed to cure. With the work on the driveway coming to a close, it also marks the completion of the restoration process. With the outside areas complete, the entire property has been rejuvenated. After 500 days of grueling work, filled with setbacks and unexpected challenges, all the invested time and effort have culminated in this moment. Thank you for watching.